VA Renovation, Alteration, and Improvement Loans. Hey, it's John Adams.
And 2 Mullins.
We're coming at you with some bigger and better information to help veterans buy homes and use their VA benefit to include repairs all in one package. Well, today we wanted to bring you a couple of myths. We heard a lot of other folks are trying to get into the VA renovation game. As you know, we do quite a bit of them here. We wanted to walk you through a couple of those myths so we can make sure that all the veterans out there get access to the information they deserve to use their benefit and include those repairs. First thing we want to talk about is no refinancing. Some of the lenders out there are offering this product, but not on refinances. But you absolutely can buy or refinance a home and include those repairs, whether they be required or preferential repairs, and use the future value. So you use the future values if those improvements have already been conducted.
Another myth is that there's been limitations placed on the renovation amount so you can perform the materials and the contract labor being capped at $35,000. This is not the case. We've seen some recent projects in excess of 6-figure renovation totals that are also including structural and foundation work, where in the past that may not have been possible or a lender wasn't able to perform.
Health hazard and safety issues are a big issue for VA, and that's usually why veterans are told, hey, you can't buy that house. It's either got some wood rot or some other issue, like maybe an air handler is missing or maybe it needs a new roof. Those safety, hazard, or health issues with some lenders are prohibited within use for the program, pretty much making the program useless. But you're not only allowed to do preferential repairs or cosmetic repairs, it's not meant for just that. Some lenders are capping those repairs on just cosmetic items, but you can use it for safety, hazard, and health issues.
A really big question with consumers and real estate professionals is always, who are the general contractors that you can use? Where's the specific list of GCs that are qualified to perform the work? The reality is there is no list of general contractors. Any licensed GC can perform the work. We only need them to register with the VA, which is a very, very simple process.
And as far as VA high balance, we get that a lot lately. There's a lot of middle movement in the housing market. So homes that are priced over what they call the conforming loan limit. Traditionally, we call those VA jumbos or VA high balance loans. Some lenders are restricting it to just under those areas. We are not. We allow the VA high balance in conjunction with the VA renovation loan. Again, no caps, no limits, just the way the VA intended it.
Right. And lastly, any lender or a loan officer can perform. This is simply not the case. You want to make sure that you're working with a loan officer, specifically who's been performing these loans, not someone who thinks that this program is new or a company who may have just acquired it. We've performed several hundreds of these here over the past years and have the testimonials to back it up from past and existing customers.
Our passion for putting this information out is to help veterans so they can go ahead and use their benefit, get all the good information. We want to appreciate you for your service. If you know a veteran or anybody that could use this information, please call, click, or share this information so we can help those served who have served.